Good evening, students. We are once again back. I am Mahendra Kumar, faculty of Monitor Z School, class 12th, accountancy. So this is your first chapter. In the last class, I have explained you methods of valuation of international drawings. So I told you when there is unequal amount and the dates are different, then where we have two methods. One is the product method and one is the simple method. Simple method is quite longer, because of which in the last class I have explained you the product method. Now I told you that I will be explaining you the simple method. So here is the simple method. This method is a bit lengthy, so it is better to take out goodwill or to evaluate goodwill through product method when dates are different and amounts are different. But still I will be telling you this method. Okay children? So this okay, this chapter 1, fundamentals of partnership, valuation of international drawings by simple method. So suppose this is the question. May 1, 20,000 you have withdrawn. July 31st, 10,000. September 31st, 30,000. November 30th, 40,000. In the product method, what we used to do, we used to calculate the full thing and then we just total it up, total the amount, take out the product of, and then we write down this formula and we put the values in the formula. Amount of drawings into rate upon 100 into months by 12. Okay, so here accounting period is 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. So here again we have to calculate. So suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for the first one, suppose the amount is 20,000. Now rate of interest for this, we are taking it as suppose 9%, 9 upon 100. And now we have to calculate months from 1st May till 31st March. That comes to 11 by 12. This will be coming to 1650. Then again we will be taking out the second one, 10,000. So here you see children that we have to use the formula for several times. Again this will be for 8 months and the value comes to 600. Okay, then the third one again 30,000. Then September 30th, this comes to I think 6 months and rate of interest is 9 and this comes to 6 months and the value will be 1350. Then the same thing we will be doing with the November and then we will be totaling up the amount and this will be your interest on drawings. So this method is quite longer, so it's better to use, I am again repeating, product method when you are evaluating interest on goodwill when dates are different and amounts are different. Now children, every time I am telling you that dates are different and amounts are different. Now what will happen if the amount is equal and the dates are equal? Dates are equal, suppose the partner is withdrawing on the 1st of every month. So for those we have 4 ways to calculate, 4 methods. Okay. Okay, the children, I was telling you that there are 12 more formulas. So right now I will be telling you 6 formulas. When the partner withdraws equal amount for 1 year, that means 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, 1 year means over here 12 months. So for the full 12 months, suppose over here I am talking about beginning, there is one partner who withdraws 2,000 every month. So for 12 months, how much amount he is going to withdraw? That is 24,000 and rate, suppose we are taking 10%, 10 upon 100 and 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. In your book children, DK Goel, there is 6.5. The formula which is given in your book, it will be like this: 24,000 upon into 6.5 by 12. So now you need to remove the 0, then add 0 over here. So there will be a lot of calculation. So I had made it simple. I had made it 13 by 2. And it will be very easy for you all to remember because there are 12 months. 12 महीने होते हैं साल में. 12 में एक जोड़ देंगे तो 13 बिगिनिंग में और 12 में से एक माइनस कर देंगे तो 11 एंड में, और मिडिल में 12 का मिडिल कहाँ होता है 6, तो वो हम मिडिल में लगा देंगे, ठीक है. सो देन यू विल बी गेटिंग द आंसर. देन सपोज अगेन दैट सेम पार्टनर इज विथड्रॉइंग 2000 एवरी मंथ फॉर 12 months or 1 year. Then suppose 24,000 is drawing, 12 to the 24, ठीक है. This amount is coming from where? 2,000 every month into 12, that comes to 24. Over here also, then it will be 11 by 2 and 1 by 12. Then you will be getting your answer. And middle over here, again 24,000, 2,000 is withdrawing for every month into 6 by 12. So again you will be getting your answer over here. Okay, same way over here. Now we are talking about quarterly. How many quarters are there in a year? First of all, आप लोग 3-3 महीने की फीस भरते हैं स्कूल में, 4 क्वार्टर होते हैं 3-3 महीने की. Now here over ऊपर हम लोग बात कर रहे थे मंथ्स के टर्म्स में, यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे क्वार्टर के टर्म्स में. क्वार्टर मीन्स 3 months. Remember that. So again, how many months are there in a year? 12. So here we are talking 12 months in terms of quarter plus 3, यानी 1 quarter, that comes to 15. Then 12 minus 3, that comes to 9. और मिडिल तो आपको पता ही है, 12 का मिडिल कहाँ जाएगा, 12 का मिडिल 6 आएगा. अब now how to place these formulas over here? Suppose again that same partner is withdrawing 2,000 every month, that again comes to 24,000. Rate, I will be taking the same 100 into 15 by 2 into 1 by 12. Here you will be getting your answer. Quarterly beginning. 3 तरह से पैसा निकाल सकता है, हर महीने की पहली तारीख को, हर महीने की आखिरी तारीख को, हर महीने के बीच में मतलब 15 तारीख को, ठीक है. जैसे फेब है, फेब में नहीं 15 तारीख मानी जाएगी, ठीक है. तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. 24,000 फिर से निकाल लिया उसने एट द एंड ऑफ ईच मंथ. 12 में से एक क्वार्टर मैंने माइनस कर दिया, यानी 3 मंथ्स माइनस कर दिए, तो फिर से हमें यहाँ पे आंसर मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. और मिडिल का तो आपको पता ही है, मैंने बताया अभी कि 12 का मिडिल आएगा 6 by 12. So these are 3 formulas. This is for the full year, this is for quarterly. Now for 6 months and 9 months are left. This children we will be discussing in another class. I hope you enjoyed your lecture, and now you will be able to do the sums based on interest on drawings when equal amount is withdrawn on same date. Okay, thank you children. Hope you're taking care of yourselves. Thank you very much.